This video is sponsored by Epidemic Sound, my go-to source for licensed music to use in my videos. Whether you need a classic camera shutter for your next POV video, or some lo-fi beats to play in the background, you can find a variety of licensed tracks. Get started on your own YouTube channel and use the link in the description for a free 30-day trial. So I was feeling a little bored and I wanted to try something I've never done before. I thought to myself, why not shoot with a disposable film camera? Sounds very original. No one has ever done that before, except me. Believe it or not, I've never actually used one of these cameras before. I guess I just never really had the opportunity to shoot one or really felt the need to go out and buy one because, I already have a ton of film cameras. There really was no need for me to get one of these cameras, and my wallet should probably thank me for that. I mean, $14 for a roll of film that only gives you 27 shots, and you have to shoot it through a piece of plastic. Sounds very cost effective. Rant aside, I thought this would be a fun video to do and specifically shoot with one of these cameras in a street photography setting, which I don't think a lot of people do with these kind of cameras. So I went out to B&H in New York to get one of these cameras and shoot some street photos around Midtown New York. That's it. Thank you, man. Thanks. Okay. Kodak FunSaver. How many shots are on this thing? There's no way I'm already on 19.
Love your hair.
Thank you.
So I'm not gonna lie, that was actually kind of fun, and I see why a lot of people shoot with these kind of cameras. Am I gonna do this again? Probably not. I was honestly surprised by some of the image quality that came out of this camera, and the ability of the camera to get a decent exposure in some scenes. One of my favorites was the shot of the guy walking by the Penn Station entrance. I don't know what the camera was reading for in this exposure, but did a pretty good job nonetheless. But yeah, I don't know what exactly I was expecting shooting with this thing, and I think that's kind of why I enjoyed the experience, because I really had no idea how those photos were going to turn out, and I'm pleasantly surprised to see that most of them did turn out to be pretty okay. There's some shots that I was probably moving way too quickly, and the camera just didn't know what to do in that situation in terms of focusing. I don't even know if there is a focusing mechanism in this camera, but yeah, some shots came out blurry, as you saw. But other than that, it wasn't all too bad. Do I recommend shooting with this camera as like your go-to thing? Absolutely not. I mean, $14 for one of those cameras that only gives you 27 shots doesn't sound logical to shoot with that too many times. So, it was a fun experiment, but I don't think it's a very sustainable way of shooting film, both financially and environmentally. Yeah, I know they're made out of plastic, and I hope people in labs are recycling these after they've been used, but they are plastic at the end of the day, so it's not a very environmentally friendly way of shooting. So let me know what you guys think about disposable cameras in the comments. Do you shoot with them at all? Have you shot with one before? What was your experience like? Yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all. Peace.